Lesson 47. Here in Lesson 47, we're going to learn about subject-verb agreement. But before that, let's do a review. Now, linking verb connects noun or pronoun at or near the beginning of a sentence to a word at or near the end. Now, here are some examples of the linking verb. You have appear, become, feel, grow, look, remain, seem, smell, sound, state, taste, turn. And also we have am, is, are, was, were, be, being, being. And these are the examples of a linking verb. Now, here we have an example of a fragment. It says there, the birds, blank. Here in this fragment, we have a subject, and our subject here is birds. And we have a plural subject. Now, which present tense verb form will agree in number with the subject? A plural form of a verb. Why? Because we have more than one subject, right? So, here's some examples of the verbs that we can use to complete the sentence. We have sing, chirp, fly, eat. So if we put them together, it says the birds sing. Now let's change the subject to bird instead of birds. Now it's now bird. We just learned earlier that the word birds is the subject. Of course, it hasn't changed. That our subject is still, or simple subject is still the word bird, and the bird is in a singular form. And of course, we need a singular form of a verb. Now, maybe you want to add the word sings. So we have the sentence, the bird sings. Or maybe the bird chirps, or the bird flies. Again, we have the word eats, so you can probably say the bird eats. Here's another example. Trees and flowers grow. In this sentence, we have a compound subjects. Our compound subjects here are trees and flowers. The word, let me show you here, and is a conjunction. Now always remember that compound subjects joined by and always use the plural form of verb. There you go. So don't forget that, okay? Now another example, the sun or the moon shines. Let's locate the subject here. Now our subject here are sun and the word moon. Now here we have the conjunction or. The words sun and moon are joined by or. Now let's take a look at here. Now or and nor. When a compound subject is joined by one of these words, the verb agrees in the number with the subject closer to it. Subject closer to the singular is the word moon, and that is a singular subject. So therefore, our verb should be also a singular verb. Here's another sentence. The words moon and stars are the compound subject. Our conjunction is or, and shines is the verb. Now here we have a singular verb. Now let's look at this the subject that is closer to the verb. Now is it a singular subject or is it a plural subject? Now stars. So we have a plural subject. Now, do you think the singular verbs agrees with the plural subjects? Now, we have to do something with that. like I said, stars is closer to the verb shines, right? Now, and stars is a plural subject. Now, we have to replace that word shines into shine. So instead of saying the moon or the stars shines, we have to say the moon or the stars shine. Here's another example. The sun gives light and warmth. Now, here we have a singular subject. Our singular subject is the word sun. And then we have a singular verb, and our singular verb is gives. We have a compound direct object in this sentence, and the compound direct object is light and warmth. Now, the presence of a compound direct object in a sentence does not affect the form of a verb use. The verb must agree in number only with the subject. Now always remember, the singular subjects I and you are exceptions to the rule and take the plural form of a verb.